The Parameter Morpher supports MIDI and OSC mappings for almost everything you see in the interface. The system is based on auto-learning, making it extremely easy to set up. Let's start with MIDI. First, make sure you have a MIDI CHOP connected to your controller and sending data, like here. In the Parameter Morpher, go to the Input section and drag the MIDI CHOP into the MIDI field. I will drag this null, which has my MIDI information. You will see a new MIDI button appear in the interface, which says Enable MIDI. When you press it, the Parameter Morpher highlights all mappable controls in green. Mapping something is simple. Just left-click on a control, say the slider here, and it will start blinking, indicating that it is listening. Move the knob or slider on your MIDI controller, and the connection is made instantly. A small blue square confirms that the mapping is active, which you can see here. To exit listening mode, simply right-click. Now the parameter responds directly to your MIDI controller. This works for any green highlighted control, including buttons and presets, as well as the randomization tools here. Let's try with a preset slot. Select the slot you want for mapping, and click to enter listening mode. Then press the physical button you want to map on your controller, and you will see the blue square appearing. Then disable listening mode by right-clicking. Now we can trigger that preset via MIDI. To test it, let's move something and trigger the preset, so you can see. Now, to delete the mapping, simply go over the association you want to delete and press Shift and middle click. The blue square disappears and the mapping is gone. Now, let's do the same with OSC. Go to your inputs and drag and drop an OSC CHOP, which should have your OSC data incoming. Once you do that, a new button saying Enable OSC will appear. When you press, all mappable elements will now turn orange instead of blue. The process is identical. Click on a target, for example this one. Now, since I'm continuously sending this information, it has already been mapped, and we have a small orange square that confirms the mapping. Right-click to stop listening, and now your parameter is mapped to your OSC data. You can even combine both systems. For instance, one parameter corresponds to both MIDI and knob and OS signal at the same time, which is perfect for hybrid setups or collaborative performances. If you want more information over your mappings, open the Settings panel using the cogwheel icon on the parameter component, not the elements container, but the configuration. Under Manage, you will find options for your MIDI mappings, which opens this table. You can inspect what it has been mapped to. And that is it. Mapping with MIDI and OSC in Parameter Morpher is fast, flexible, and effortless. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my work and want to support future projects and access to all my tools, please consider subscribing on Patreon. It really helps keep creation and research going. You can also connect with me through my website, Instagram, or just drop me an email. I would love to hear from you. All links are in the description below. See you next time.